Normal pregnancy, you should know, they sometimes ask you when do the TVS or TAS detect the normal pregnancy, what is the HCG level at that time, when do the gestational sac and the yolk sac appear. So you should know all this. During the endometrial cavity evaluation, an intrauterine gestational sac is usually visible between 4.5 to 5 weeks. So when you do a TVS, I'm talking about TVS, transvaginal sonography, you can easily detect a sac when they come, especially when the patients, they come for abortion. Sometimes they don't want the pregnancy. You have to detect this pregnancy sac within the uterus with the TVS, then only you should give MTOP pills. Okay, we will talk about this in the MTOP, that is a MTP chapter. Now, they come to you for evaluation of pregnancy because they're bleeding or they're having pain. You need to check whether it is intrauterine or not. So you put a TVS probe and you have to check there is a sac within the uterus, and you have to differentiate whether it is a pseudo or a true gestational sac. So ideally between 4.5 to 5 weeks, you'll be able to detect that. The yolk sac appears between 5 to 6 weeks, and a fetal pole with cardiac activity in 5% cases will be detected up to 6 weeks, but definitely by 7 to 8 weeks. Definitely by 7 to 8 weeks. Okay, so it is first detected at 6 weeks in 5% cases only, but definitely at 7 to 8 weeks it will be detected. That is fetal heart. If it is not present at 7 to 8 weeks also, then you should tell the patient that there is probably a chance that this baby is not viable. Okay, she can wait for another week for a repeat scan. Okay, now pregnancy of uncertain viability. What do you mean by that? Intrauterine gestational sac of less than 20 millimeter, no obvious yolk sac, no fetal echo, less than 6 millimeter CRL with no obvious fetal heart. So you can have combinations of these. A sac of less than 20 millimeter with no obvious yolk sac, or there is a yolk sac, there is a fetal echo less than 6 millimeter with no fetal heart rate. So it does not match with the parameters. Normally at 6 millimeter there should be a fetal heartbeat, right? Repeat ultrasound can be done at 7 days time. So you have to be very careful. Now ACOG says that pregnancy of uncertain viability, ACOG according to the 2016 says that you have to be cautious in diagnosing an intrauterine pregnancy in absence of yolk sac or embryo. So basically what they're trying to say is that if you are not seeing anything, even though the gestational period is around 6 weeks, the CRL you can see the fetal pole is 6 millimeters, still the fetal pole is not there. Maybe you are seeing not a right pregnancy, it may be an ectopic pregnancy, and you are assuming that it's an intrauterine pregnancy, or there is a sac but no yolk sac. So you have to be very cautious. Keep this in mind as a doctor that she might be an ectopic pregnancy. I'm diagnosing this as a intrauterine pregnancy. So just be careful. If you cannot see anything much and it is not matching with the parameters given in your books, then you have to wait and you have to treat her on the lines of ectopic. Be alert and tell her the prognosis. Okay, so you have to be very careful.